Honda Element transmissions are dependable, but they aren't maintenance free. We usually don't even think about them until we have a problem. But transmission failures do occur, and almost all are preventable. When the fluid gets old, it isn't able to cool the transmission, causing components to wear out faster. The fluid's job is to cool the transmission, and the filter's job is to capture the dirt or wear material before it destroys your transmission. Changing the transmission fluid is always a good idea, but don't forget the filter. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the external transmission cooler filter on your Honda Element. Let's get started. I've removed the air intake hose from the throttle body to give you a better understanding of where this filter is located. The air intake hose is not necessary to remove. However, if you choose to remove it, this would be a good time to clean your throttle body. Watch my video, How to Clean the Throttle Body, for instructions. There are many clips holding on this plastic shield, including the two inside the wheel well. Once all the clips are removed, remove the cover and set it aside. Here's a good view of the filter. These are the two hose clamps you'll need to remove. Now I'll remove the filter bracket bolt. I found a 10mm socket with a 1/4" ratchet works well here. Once the bolt is removed, remove the bracket. This would be a good time for a drain pan, because the next step is to remove the filter. Use some pliers to remove the clamps. Then remove the hose. I have a special hose removal tool, but twisting the hose as you're pulling will also work. This is why we put the drain pan down. So if you forgot this step, you should clean up now. Now remove the other side clamp and remove the filter. Now it's time to install the new filter. I made a special tool to hold the clamp open. This makes it much easier to install the clamps. I suggest you make one also. I'll show you how to do this at the end of the video. With the clamp tool installed, slide the clamp on the hose. Then install the filter as shown. The longer part of the filter goes towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Remove the clamp tool and inspect the clamp, making sure it's on correctly and tight. Now I'll do the same thing to the other side, using my special tool to hold the clamp open. Slide the hose onto the filter as shown. Then remove the special tool and make sure the hose clamp is tight. Now reinstall the filter bracket. There's not much room to work here, so be patient. Reinstall the bolt and adjust the bracket as you're tightening it. Once the filter bracket is clean and tight, reinstall the plastic cover. Now that everything is back together, we'll need to check and adjust the transmission fluid. Get the vehicle to operating temperature and check the level as per the manual. If you need to add fluid, use only Honda approved. Congratulations on replacing your filter and saving yourself hundreds of dollars. Now you're ready to replace the transmission fluid. Watch my next video, How to Change Your Transmission Fluid. If you've learned something in this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my page. Thanks for watching. So here's a piece of metal I got from Home Depot. So here's my piece. It's right about 3 inches long. So I just want to bend these over a little bit. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to take a hammer. There's my first bend. And I want to do the same thing to the other side. There we go. And then I want to make one more bend in the middle. Now we take our channel locks and we tighten it down. And this is how it works with the clamp. As you tighten it, it just compresses that clamp and holds it open.